Welcome back. So in one of my earlier videos where I presented this rig and I was sharing to you guys how to split the ARGB LED, I've also found something interesting of which I think you should know, and that's about exhaust fans. Now in a small casing like this is a Geeek G1 SE casing. Now if one is to use the acrylic panel, there's very little airflow. So if you do not install fans, it will get really toasty inside. Now, this is what it looks like inside. I have a Ryzen 3, AMD Ryzen 3 3100, and it uses the stock fan. Now, if you were gaming and have this panel closed and you have no fans, the result is like this. However, if you're running workloads like say video encoding, of which this one I was using the Blender BMW CPU test that tests all that pushes the load on all the cores, and without these fans installed, the temperature is crazy. It goes over 90 degrees Celsius. It still works. It will throttle a bit. It does not melt down. However, it is not a comfortable temperature to run with. So having fans to exhaust the heat keeps the airflow and makes it overall better. Yep, so that's my sharing. So if you have a compact casing and has placements for fan, do utilize them. If the space is limited and you can't use the thick 25mm fans, use slimmer 15mm fans. That's all from me for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful and informative. If you like more of this kind of content, do check out the videos at the side and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.